How to remove friends on Facebook without them knowing. Want to remove someone from your Facebook friends list without sending them a notification? I'll show you how to unfriend someone quietly using the mobile app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Go to your profile, then tap Friends to see your full friends list. Find the person you want to remove. You can scroll or use the search bar to find their name faster. Tap on the friend's profile. On their profile, tap the Friends button. From the menu that appears, select Unfriend, then tap Confirm. That's it. The person is now removed from your friends list. Facebook does not send a notification when you unfriend someone, so they won't be alerted directly. However, they may notice later if they search for your profile or try to view your posts. If you don't want to fully remove them but still want less interaction, you can also choose options like unfollow or restrict instead of unfriending. This method works on both Android and iPhone using the Facebook mobile app, and that's how you remove friends on Facebook without them knowing right from your phone. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with your question, and subscribe for more quick Facebook and mobile tutorials.